Hello, everyone. I'm thrilled to share our brand new Norwex Holiday Collection with you. We have so many incredible products that are going to help you clean, care, and celebrate the season. So, whether you're looking for gifts for others or maybe you want to treat yourself, there's going to be something for everyone on your list, including your fur babies. So, let's dive in. So, first up, we have some limited edition cloths. So, we have these beautiful new EnviroCloths. Look at those colors. Oh my gosh. So EnviroCloths, they're your go-to cleaning cloth. They remove 99% of bacteria from your surface using just water. They have our backlock technology, which is silver. Silver will prevent your cloths from ever getting stinky. They'll never get moldy or mildew. We also have this beautiful limited edition window cloth in a nutcracker print. Just when I think I don't need another window cloth or EnviroCloth, they come out with something I absolutely need. So the EnviroCloth and Window Cloth together, this is your powerhouse cleaning duo. It's your go-to for cleaning everything around the house. And of course, that window cloth, use these wet with water. The EnviroCloth, use the window cloth dry. This is going to give you a streak-free shine on your windows, your mirrors, your granite, stainless, all the things. So the new EnviroCloths come in this beautiful midnight blue color. And then we have malachite. So pretty. And we also have this cherry, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. So you can save with sets this holiday season with Norwex. So you can get these cloths individually. So you can get the window cloth individual, the EnviroCloth in midnight, and the EnviroCloth in malachite. But you can get a trio of EnviroCloths, which is always our number one seller, where you can actually get this cherry red in the trio. And now I believe you can only get the cherry red color in the trio of cloths. And again, this one always sells out. Any trios always sell out first. If you want to get a bundle of a basic package, you can get the basic package with the EnviroCloth with either the malachite color or the EnviroCloth with the midnight color. Now let's talk about sustainable gifting, gift bags, things like that. So we have this really nice large tote which has winter woodland animals. It's inspired by Norway, so pretty. So this is going to be your largest tote, and I will put the measurements on the screen. Then we have a small tote, which is our nutcracker print, so cute. And then we have a medium-sized tote in this very neutral stripes pattern, which I think is gorgeous. Now you can get these individually this year, or you can also save with a set. Last year, our gift bags sold out very quickly. So if you want these, you want to snag them fast. So you can bundle these together and get one of each, the large, the medium, and the small. We also have some new color in our kitchen towel and kitchen cloth in the midnight blue. Look how pretty this is. I love this diamond textured pattern. So if you spend a lot of time in the kitchen like me, you love the kitchen towels and kitchen cloths. They are super absorbent. They're fast drying. They help you keep your kitchen mess free using just water. Honestly, the kitchen's the last place we want to use chemicals. So these are a great sustainable alternative to things I used to use. Plus, of course, these do have our backlock technology, which means they're going to stay fresher longer. No stinky cloths. These are perfect for cleaning up those holiday spills and messes. Of course, you can still save with sets. So you can buy these individually. You can buy one kitchen cloth, one kitchen towel, or you can bundle things together and save with the set just to make your, easier on your wallet. Also help your kitchen look a little extra festive this holiday season. So the sets would be the kitchen towel and kitchen cloth set, as well as the new kitchen cloth trio, or the new color in the kitchen cloth trio. Now, the next one's one of my favorites. It's the Odor Eliminator limited edition in Winter Bergamot scent. So I've been using this for a little bit over a month now. I love it. It smells so good. It's a concentrate. So one bottle of the concentrate is going to make 6 ready-to-use sprayer bottles. You can buy this individually, or you can grab the set and save, and it will come with a forever bottle with the sprayer with the sea mist trim. Honestly, you'll keep your house smelling fresh all season. And the scent Winter Bergamot is natural. It's amazing. Okay, let's keep going. We're going to go back to the kitchen. So we have some new holiday tea towels. I know everyone loves our tea towels. So these are new just for the holiday. They're not only beautiful, but these are super absorbent. I use them regularly. They look pretty. It's nice because I've always liked tea towels, but tea towels typically are something you can't use. They're just there to look pretty. These are super absorbent. You can use them for all the things around the kitchen. So you've got stripes, and also, gosh, the nutcracker print is back. So now we have some bundles, some gifting bundles. So the first bundle we have at a discount is the Slice, Dice, and Celebrate bundle. This includes a set of 3 cutting boards. I use these cutting boards daily. I've had mine forever. These offer a sustainable alternative to plastic or even bacteria harboring wood cutting boards. These are extremely durable. They have a silicone grip on the back, which keeps them in place while you're cutting. It's perfect for holiday prep, makes a great gift. You can even get the bundle and split it into 3 different gifts. We also have a Doggie Bath Bundle. So pet lovers, you're not going to want to miss this. We have our pet towel, the 2-in-1 dog shampoo and conditioner, and one of my favorites, the pet mitt. This will help make bath time fun and easy for your furry friend and for you because this towel is amazing. We also have a festive kitchen bundle. The festive kitchen bundle this year, it's fun. It's great colors. Look at that. It is the pomegranate color in the channel fiber. You get 2 kitchen towels and 2 kitchen cloths. And these match perfectly with all of these other items. Like it would look so good paired next to the tea towels or even with that midnight blue as well. It looks so nice. We also have a mini Dust It All gifting bundle. So this is for maybe the hostess or yourself, right? So with this bundle, you get the mini Enviro wand with the dual-sided Enviro wand sleeve, plus you get the duster sleeve. This is really easy to swap back and forth the sleeves. Now we can't forget our people on our holiday list, even ourselves, who love skincare. You can get the Essentials skincare set, which is perfect for gifting anyone who loves skincare gifts. It's safe. My granddaughters, my niece, all love the skincare from Norwex. We also have a travel trio, which is new for the holiday season, which we're going to get into. Now, we have an essential skincare set, which comes with 3 items. We also have a complete skincare set, or you can get this travel skincare set. The travel skincare is perfect for people who are on the go. It features a mini rejuvenating serum, a mini illuminating oil, and a mini cleansing facial powder. And these are refillable, and you can keep them all in this nice little zipper pouch. These are TSA friendly, so if you have someone who travels a lot, these are going to be great. Also, we have a couple things that came back. We have our deep hydration mask. These masks I actually used one the other night. They're so amazing. This is great. They come in a pack of 4, number one, so you can give the whole, if you're gifting to someone, you can give the whole box, or you can break them apart, make a great stocking stuffer. These are a very luxurious way to give your skin a boost of moisture. It's infused with Nordic antioxidants. They're perfect for delivering deep hydration and replenishing our skin's natural radiance. So these provide some really intense hydration to the skin, which we need in the winter, right? It leaves the skin feeling soft and revitalized. There's also a lot of product in this package, which I will use over a few day period and apply it to my neck, things like that. These are great for tired, dry skin. You really want to give it a boost. It's formulated to improve the skin's texture, to smooth, to plump the appearance. And another customer favorite is our lip hydration is back in berry. Guys, this is not chapstick. It's not lip gloss. It's skincare for your lips. Our lips cannot provide their own moisture. We need something good and healthy, right, to care for them and help our lips continue looking youthful. I use it throughout the day. I also put it on a little bit thicker at bedtime, and I leave it on as like a lip mask. It has amazing butters that really penetrate the lip well. And I like to apply it slightly above and slightly below my lip lines, which helps prevent or improve the appearance of those little fine lines and wrinkles we get around our neck, especially if you drink from a water bottle all the time. Our lips are constantly like that, right? So this smooths that all out. This has amazing organic ingredients, cranberry butter, shea butter. It's an excellent skin soother. It hydrates, it helps reduce moisture loss, vitamin C, which supports lips with some antioxidant protection, sodium hyaluronate, which delivers visible moisture and suppleness, grapefruit extract. I mean, the ingredients are so good. This is my favorite, and it's a awesome stocking stuffer. It also has a lingonberry extract, which has antioxidants, fatty acids. It improves the appearance of our lips. Sea buckthorn oil, cloudberry, the vitamin C, like all of the things in this. It is truly skincare for your lips. Something I never used to think about when I was younger. All right, now we have Norman the Fjord. This year he's back. He's a limited edition. He's an adorable little limited edition friend made from hand spun New Zealand wool. He is the perfect little holiday decor piece. Like you can just sit him on the table with your other stuff. It's a great alternative to some other popular kids items, like something that might sit on the shelf. Kids can look and see where Norman is hiding. And talking about kids, we do have some great items for kids this season. We have our new Winter Woodland Set. Now, this is an amazing gift for your little ones. This comes with the hooded towel and this beautiful malachite color, and it is hooded, right? So look at that. And this set actually does come with a large tote bag, which all matches. And this is a very plushy, super soft towel for our kiddos. The Woodland Set also comes with a 3-pack of kids' body and face cloths. And look at this, our new pet to dry in the owl. And guess what? His eyes glow in the dark. So that's so awesome. So you can buy these all as a set in our Woodland Set, or you can get the items individually. So maybe if you just wanted this little guy for your guest bath, you can do that too. So whether you're gifting for others or maybe you're treating yourself a little bit, there's going to be a Norwex product for everyone on your list this season. So let me know if you have any questions. Let's make this a season of clean, sustainable joy. I'll see you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now.